Alright guys, so last time we left off with the Conquest. We started pulling everything apart in attempts to get ready to install this fine looking standalone machine. So today we're going to attempt to power it up, mainly to see if it works. And then I guess we'll start pulling apart the wiring harness to get it ready to wire into the ECU. Alright, so we got the wiring harness plugged into the ECU, plugged into the computer. Now we just have to figure out where the power and ground is so we can hook it up to a battery and see if this thing powers up. Definitely want to do that before I rip into the wiring harness and like realize this doesn't work. And then I'll be very unhappy.
You already sold a bunch of stuff.
Nothing that I needed anyway.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
See how these two stick out further?
Yeah.
That one's in. These two stick out further and that one's in. So, was that the middle one? So if you haven't subscribed, this is the entertainment you get right here. Exhilarating stuff.
Almost there. So we're trying to get to this right here to see where it goes because it's not on the other end.
We need to fix some of these wires too.
Yeah. Whoa! That was a bird.
We just got attacked by a cardinal. I saw my life flash before my eyes.
Thought it was Jerry for a second. One of these days I'm gonna come outside. He's gonna be jumping on that trampoline with a bottle of brown liquor.
You must video that.
It's a sharp knife you got there, Randall.
Like that? I should not be trusted with sharp objects.
No. Still got that scar on your hand?
No, it went away.
Alright, so after about a week of hunting, we finally found the power and the ground. Oh, look, they're over there.
Skinner's go.
Now we're going to hook that up to the battery and
Blow it up.
see what kind of fire we can cause.
And you want to double check my math before
I trust you.
we blow this thing up? I wouldn't.
There's probably people watching this right now.
No! Don't do it! You're gonna fire blood up. You ready?
Sure.
It's not plugged in the computer.
No, it's not.
No, I want to power see if it powered up first.
Blow up the ECU and your computer.
Mm-hmm. One fell swoop. Yeah, I think I did that wrong.
Goes nothing.
We saw some sparkage. We've got power.
Yeah?
Power LED came on.
Cool. Does it feel hot or anything?
Not yet.
Now, will it recognize it?
Probably not.
Just as a disclaimer, this is our very first attempt at messing with any type of standalone computer.
think your battery's dead.
Probably.
No, it's got 12 volts.
It's got 12 volts.
Mm-hmm.
We just killed the ECU.
Did we?
Oh, no power light.
Got a screwdriver? Nothing looks blown up or burn up.
All right. Well, I think the car gods are speaking to me. So on the ECU, you see that we have it torn apart. We hooked it up to the battery. It powered up. Power light came on. And then it didn't. And it's not coming on anymore. So we either blew something up or something got blown up. I don't know. So we don't know if something got burned up or something like that. It's just, my thinking is if I went ahead and did all the wiring and everything and put 12 volts to it, then it should have done the same thing. So I guess where I'm at now is putting it all back together and replace that blow-off valve and just see if that fixes everything. Because the only real problem I was having at this point was it dying after acceleration. So that's where we are. And I know some of you were probably screaming at your screen telling us not to do this, but like I said, 12 volts is 12 volts. But if you're not supposed to do that, then I don't know.
A few moments later.
Alright, quick Supra update. Check the codes again, and I had code for the O2 sensor, which that's been messed up, it's not even in there, and the throttle position sensor. Readjust it again, reset timing again, take it out, see what it does. Hopefully that's the problem. Oh, I did throw 2 couplings on it. There was 2 that were a little too big, a little loose. Got rid of the T-bolt clamps also and went with just regular worm clamps. So let's see what that does. All right, same thing, no dice. Car feels a lot better though. It's a lot happier with the TBS adjusted and timing. Actually right now it's a lot snappier. So I'm gonna take the EVC completely out of the equation and try the manual boost controller and see if that fixes it. Manual boost controller is on, and that's going to do it. Now it's going to make all the boosts fixed. Alright, so this is with the vacuum source off the wastegate. So pin in the wastegate.
Alright guys, so as you just saw, Randall thinks he narrowed down his boost problem to the wastegate. So like you just saw, he pinned the wastegate closed and it started climbing past 10 pounds of boost. Whereas before it would go to 9 and that was it. Which is kind of weird because it's a different wastegate than what he had on there before, so I don't know, something else might be going on, but besides the point, it's starting to raise boost. It was going lean again, so he's thinking it might be the fuel pump, so he's probably going to order a new fuel pump and put that in and see if that helps. As for my car, I think it's best now, I guess. I mean, I don't really have any other choice but to keep it how it is. I went ahead, we didn't put it on video, but I took my little tire pump, my air compressor, and I put air. We took the line. This line right here goes to the blow-off valve. And what we did is we're putting air on that line to see if the blow-off valve was leaking. And sure enough, with that little tire pump, there was air coming out of the blow-off valve. So I went ahead and ordered a new one today. Should be in Friday in time for next week's video. So that'll give me time to put everything back together that we took off last week. Shouldn't be that bad. It's just, you know, hooking the fuel injectors back up and the TPS and the ISC and all that good stuff. Also, I got to throw the fenders and the front bumper back on and the grill. But yeah, that shouldn't take too long at all. So hopefully the blow-off valve fixes it. And I'll probably go ahead and try the map sensor mod with the AFC that you can do. A subscriber actually sent me very, very detailed directions on how to do it. So since the standalone's not going to be going in now, I'm going to go ahead and do that and see how that works. But yeah, that's going to wrap it up for this video. Thank you for watching. If you haven't subscribed already, please do so. That'd be awesome. Also, we have new merch. We have a new shirt and 2 new hats. So at the end of this, go to sandrmotoring.com and help us out and pick one up. But as always, like I said, thank you for watching. Hit the subscribe button, like button, leave us a comment, and we'll see you next week.